Good morning, this is Joan of Art, and it's still the hour before daybreak. I'm at the Bacolod Sila International Airport, and let's talk about airports and morning. And I'm waiting for my daughter to arrive. Kaagahon. This is dawn. Aga means morning. I hear the airplane now. It's arriving. Airplane means aeroplano, and arriving is abot. Arrive is abot. Arriving is nag-aabot. Airplane has just hugpa or has just landed. And it's quite busy now. Sako na. I'm excited to go to the tarmac area so we could see a front row view of. See, the airplane has just arrived. Bear's airplane has just landed and it's taxiing to the tarmac. Arrive is nag-abot. What a perfect way to record the arrival and the breaking of dawn. So Bea just called me up. She's alighting or gapanaog, and also it's dawning. In Tagalog, it's called the bukang liwayway. In Ilonggo, pagbutlak sang adlaw. Butlak is shine, to rise, the rising of the sun. Butlak. To fly means lupad, and to land is hugpa. Airport means hulugpaan, but Ilonggos rarely use the word hulugpaan. We all say airport. In Tagalog, it's called paliparan. Lipad means to fly, while the Tagalogs call the airport paliparan, means the flying place. Ilonggos call it the hulugpaan, the landing place. Sugat. If you're picking up someone who's arriving from someplace, it's called sugat, to fetch, to pick up. Dul-ong, on the other hand, is to send off someone. So if you send off someone to the airport, it's dul-ong. Dawn has broken. It's a good morning. It's a new day. So I'm running out of memory space. I'll just say bye-bye for now. Love, love, love to everyone. It's a day full of love. Thank you for being with me today. Like, share, and subscribe. See you all in our next video. Maayong aga. Bye-bye. I can see her now. She's over there. There she is. There she is. She's coming up. Buwa na siya. Maabot na siya. Arriving. Arriving. Here's my baby now. Oh, there's Pasit picking up her baggage. Yay! Group hug! Group hug! Group hug! Mama.